So first of all, you have to open this URL. You will also get this URL in the description of this video, or simply you can type this URL in any search or any browser. Then you have to type your email over there. Then simply you need to press this icon. Then simply continue with password or sign in with the passkey. I will continue with the password. I enter the password and again I click that arrow button. Next you will see this screen that you are successfully signed into your Apple Store developer account. Then you have to click on apps. After opening the apps window, you will get your live apps that are live on your App Store developer account. Simply I am going to select LNOI chatbot. Then you have to click on here. Here you will see the latest version that has live on your iOS store. Now I have to submit a new build, so simply I will click on this plus icon and here I will enter a version name. So previously we have 2.1.4 and now I am choosing 2.5, and then simply you have to click on create. A new version has been created. Now you can replace your screenshot, your description or whatever you want. So simply right now we are going to choose a new build. We click on add build. Then here it's saying missing compliance. So simply we will go to test flight. After going to test flight, we will simply click on manage and none of the algorithm mentioned above and simply click it save. Then we have to go to distribution. We need to select our new created iOS app version 2.5. Then we have to go to add build. And here we will select the latest build that we want to make it live. Simply click on none. Then click on save. And then we will simply send it for review. That's it. Also don't remember to add what's new in this version. Like we have some bug fixes. Simply write some bug fixes here. Then click on save and then add for review. So that's it. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching the video.